Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super useful tutorial for you. Have you ever found yourself jamming out to your favorite tunes on your earphones or headphones, only to discover they just don't work when you try to make a receive call? Frustrating, right? Well, fret no more. I'm here to help you fix that issue so you can get back to using your device seamlessly for both music and calls. Let's dive in. First thing first, let's understand why this happens. There can be several reasons, from simple connectivity issues to more complex software glitches. But don't worry, I'll guide you through some common fixes that should get you up and running in no time. Step 1. Check the basics. Make sure your earphones or headphones are properly plugged in, or if they're Bluetooth, ensure they're correctly paired with your device. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often this is the oversight. Clean your headphone jack or charging port. Dust or debris in the headphone jack or charging port can cause connectivity issues. So, you use a can of compressed air or a small soft brush to gently clean the area. Step 3. Check your call settings. Sometimes the issue can be within your call audio settings. Go to your phone settings. Then find sound or Bluetooth. And make sure the correct output device is selected for calls. Now step 4 is to update your device. Running on an outdated system can cause various issues, including this one. Make sure your device's software is up to date. Step 5. Restart your device and earphones and headphones. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a myriad of issues. Turn off your device and your Bluetooth earphones or headphones, then turn them back on. And here's a bonus tip. If you're using Bluetooth earphones or headphones, try forgetting the device in your Bluetooth settings and then reconnecting. This can often resolve strange connectivity issues. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple steps plus a bonus tip to help fix the issue of earphones or headphones not working for calls, even though they work for music. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and ring the bell so you never miss a video from us.